Yes, madam.
Yes.
Okay. So please write down taxable income. Non-saving income 1,000,
Yes.
saving 6,000, and dividend 500.
Yeah.
So all of if we add all of these, it's looking like you are in basic band. And if you are a basic rate taxpayer, so on £1,000 of the saving income qualify for nil rate band. Okay,
Yes.
1,000 nil rate band available on the saving income. Now pay the tax firstly on non-saving income. 1,000 covered in the starting band and rate is 20% in starting band. So what is the answer? Is equal to
Hello, Pit. What has Mommy made for lunch?
the mic
It's broccoli. Yum.
Jana, mama ko kasi jana.
Penny
Mama kasi
loves
jana.
It's
vegetables.
200.
Pit
Yes.
does not.
Okay.
He'd
Now
rather
how much
eat
starting band
cookies.
is still remaining?
Wait, Pit, did you ask Mommy first? Pit, you
What
should
is the
eat
limit of
vegetables to stay
starting
healthy.
band?
No.
4,000 remaining.
Yes, 4,000. And the next income is 6,000 saving income. Out of 6,000,
Let's see what
1,000
Jauh
Pit
na,
is
is
mama kasi
saving
jauh
dreaming
ni, mama
income.
kasi
about.
jauh ni.
Nil rate band.
Dream Mommy is serving sweets for lunch. So much junk food will give you a tummy ache. Mommy, my tummy
1,000 nil
hurts.
rate band available. Zero tax is equal to zero. And remaining 3,000
Will Pit eat his broccoli
is
today?
also 0% for saving income.
Good job.
In the
Mommy is
in
so
the
proud of
starting
you
band,
too.
what is the
Well
saving income
done.
rate?
Here's your cookie.
0% is equal to 0. It means up to now
Uh-huh.
5,000
Thank you,
starting band
Mommy.
is 0%.
Yes.
Now, how much of the saving
Penny is
income will
watching
fall in
her
the basic
favorite
band?
show. Penny,
11,000
How much
something.
of the saving income is still remaining which fall in the basic band?
1,000 is still remaining.
How much?
1,000.
Total 6,000
Let's see
and
what she's dreaming about.
1,000 nil rate band covered in the nil rate
Uh-oh.
band rate is
What is
20%.
Dream Daddy up
How much?
to?
Saya dah
Be
jauh ni.
careful, Penny. Being too close to
Iya
the
tu keluar
TV is
semanggang.
not healthy.
Semanggang.
Mommy, my eyes hurt.
Still 2,000 left.
So why you are saying 1,000?
Madam, I didn't understand this.
Why
Why?
you didn't
No,
understand?
I didn't understand.
1,000 is non-saving income.
Yeah,
Total
5,000.
saving income is 6,000. Out
Yes.
of 6, 4,000
Mama,
covered in the
squirrel,
Why
squirrel.
didn't you
because
write
Jauh mama
4,000
kasi
at a
jauh.
time? Breaking
Nai.
it down into 1,000 and 3,000.
because we have to consume starting band as well, and starting band will consume your nil rate band will consume your
Duha.
starting and basic bands, both bands as well. Okay,
Okay.
we have to consume nil rate band, and nil rate band also consumes starting and basic bands. Okay,
Okay.
and remaining 2,000 of the saving income will fall in the basic band, and basic rate is 20% for saving income is equal to 400. That's it. Now the next income is dividend 500. First 2,000 always dividend income qualify for the nil rate band. Zero tax is equal to zero. And the total income tax liability is 600. Income tax liability. Any issue?
Yes,
Clear?
dividend should be taxed at 7.5%.
No, 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 no. First 2,000 of the dividend income always qualify for nil rate band.
Okay.
Nil means zero tax on first 2,000 of it.
Okay.
Okay. Next. Next question is, for example, I am giving you only saving income, and taxable income, saving income is, for example, 40,000. Now calculate the income tax liability.
Then
So
first
40 means
then first 5,000
Then
is above the basic rate. 40 means above the basic band. 20% above. Like first 5,000 is a free, tax free.
how tax free?
Is like the first 5 or 6,000 yearly income is a free of tax.
Are you talking for about dividend income?
No, no, no. I'm not talking about the first free 5,000 to 6,000 is free of tax. It's like exempt if you income like a yearly 6,000 or like something, the rate is a free of tax.
No, no. Why free of tax? 5,000.
ये
Why? What is 5,000?
2,500 email allowance ना
What is 5,000?
12,000 होता है
The L1 allowance is 12,000 might be no.
Annual allowance?
Yearly, if I get the yearly salary, 12,000 British pound is like a tax free annual allowance.
600
I forget the specific rate. Okay, madam, can you carry on your lecture? Then
I
I can.
didn't tell you. I didn't tell you about
But the
annual
last
allowance.
time,
I did.
I think,
Tell
okay.
you about personal allowance, not
Oh yeah. Oh,
annual
sorry. Yes,
allowance.
personal allowance. Yes, right, right. Sorry.
And personal allowance mean after net income,
Okay.
and then after personal allowance you will get the taxable income, and this income is after personal allowance.
Okay. That
Taxable
means
mean
net income
after
minus personal
personal
allowance,
allowance,
then is taxable income. Yeah.
and then apply the rates.
Okay.
Okay. Yes.
So, madam, first 5,000 is 0%
Why?
savings income.
Savings
First
income.
5,000 is a starting band,
Yeah,
and
so
in
it's 0%.
starting band non-saving rate is 20%,
Yes.
saving rate is 0%,
Okay.
dividend 0.
So here is a savings taxable income is savings. So 5,000 is a 0% tax. Because 40,000
Out
is a
of 5,000, firstly, non-saving income will consume this 5,000 starting band. So out of 5,000 starting band, first 1,000 non-saving income consume this starting band,
yes,
and rate is 20%. Next, saving income will consume the remaining starting band, and the saving income is 6,000. Out of 6, we are basic rate taxpayer in this question. So 1,000 nil rate band available,
yes,
and nil rate band also consume my starting band.
yes,
So my starting band up to 2,000 is finished. Now the remaining 3,000 is still
still,
remaining.
yes,
So out of now the remaining saving income will use this 3,000 starting band, and rate is 0% in starting band for saving income.
right,
Now total 5,000 starting band is finished.
yes,
So
finish,
but remaining 2,000 income saving is still remaining.
yes,
So it will fall in the basic band, and rate is 20% in the basic band starting
right,
in the basic band.
it's fine,
Okay.
yes,
And next dividend income is 500, and in which band you are falling, it doesn't matter. First 2,000 of the dividend income always nil rate band available, zero tax.
okay.
That's
So,
it.
so overall 600 annual tax, income tax
So
liability, yeah,
600 is your total income tax
liability,
liability,
right,
or add all of these taxes.
yes, yes, right,
Done.
yeah. Now the
Next.
question you have saving income 40,000 taxable income, yeah, yearly,
Yeah, this is our new question.
yes. So
So
then
40, firstly tell me, before applying any rates, firstly tell me in which band you are falling.
that's a higher band, madam, 40,000.
Very good. Very good. And if you are a higher rate taxpayer, how much nil rate band available on the saving income?
5,000, no.
No, 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 no. 500.
If you close the
500.
higher rate, then it will go 500 only.
500, yes.
Oh
Nil rate
my.
band is either 1,500 or 0.
Okay. So zero
So five,
when is go like a yearly income 150,000.
forget about it. If you cross 1,50,000, then 0 nil rate band available, because If you are additional rate taxpayer, zero nil rate
Oh,
band
it's quite
available on the
additional.
saving
Yes.
income. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
If you are a higher rate taxpayer, then 500 nil rate band available on the saving income. If
Right.
you are a basic rate taxpayer, then 1000 nil rate band available on the saving income. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, now forget about it. Now, out of 40,000 saving income up to basic band mean 37,700 rate is 20%
20%. Then
is
after,
equal to, what is the answer, is equal to?
uh, I left the calculator. 1 minute, madam. I bring the calculator.
तो नोट देना है
Just
This
one
is.
second,
तो
just
मुझे
one
नोट
second.
देखा तारपरे तो क्लास पे आधा
I'm breaking it.
Madam, here is 1 to
It's
5,000 is
saving
We
income.
can
It's
calculate
saving
right?
income. I am
ऑनलाइन
wrong.
एडिशन टाइम
It's a saving income, not non-saving. And
yes.
you know, in
Mamun
saving
bhai, do you
income,
have
starting.
calculator?
Oh,
अनामिका से
please,
मोबाइल ऐसे देखो
please,
Wait, wait.
don't make a noise. Only listen to me.
Okay.
Okay. So in saving in for saving income, in starting band rate is 0%, and
Up
in
to 5.
basic band rate is 20%. So different rates in both bands. So we
Yes.
have to split bands income in these two bands. Okay.
Yes.
So up to 5,000 starting band, 0% rate for the saving income is equal to zero tax.
Right.
Also, 500 nil rate band is also available on the saving income. Again, zero tax on nil rate band, zero.
Yes.
Yes.
And your total basic band is up to 37,700. Now, how much balancing figure I can write down in basic band? How much is the space remaining?
Okay.
So it's 32,200.
32,200 into 20%
20%.
rate for the saving income. And what is the answer?
6,440.
6440.
Yes.
Now, how much of the saving income will fall in the additional band? Sorry, in the, yes, in the higher band.
So it's 40,000 minus 37,700. It's 2,300.
At the rate of 40% is equal to
92. 920.
Yes, 920.
and what is the total income tax liability?
Then income tax liability.
7360.
7360, right?
Yes. Right.
Yes.
And please write down all these answers.
Yes. 1 minute.
Done?
Yeah.
Now,
Done.
next question. I am giving you taxable dividend income.
Okay.
Taxable income. Again, 40,000 assume it's 40,000. You are maybe you are basic higher any taxpayer. You know, first 2,000 of the dividend always nil rate band available is equal to zero tax.
Yes.
Okay.
Then best.
And
The
my basic band is up to 37,700. Now, how much balancing figure I can fall in?
35,700. 35,700.
Madam, did. Oh, yeah.
35,700.
35,700 at the rate of 7.5% is equal to
Bound by how much?
So it's 2662.
and the remaining 2,500 will fall in higher band rate is 32.5% is equal to
81250.
81.
2.
Yeah.
Okay, and total income tax liability, income tax liability
3474. 74.
3475.
Yes. Round
Yes.
figure.
Very good. Now it's clear.
Yes.
Yes.
Now. So, madam,
Oh,
in dividend we have only 22,000, not 5,000 as like non-saving and saving.
dividend in starting band rate is 7.5,
Yes,
basic band 32. What is the difference of basic band?
basic bill the 2000 and 35.700.
No, no, basic band, difference of basic band.
7.5% basic band rate.
I am saying what is the difference of basic band? Total basic band, up to 37 700.
Yes,
And what is the balancing figure in basic band? We can adjust here.
then we can minus from 2000 is like 35.7.
30, it's 32 700
Yes, basic rate, right,
at
after
the
5.
rate of 7.5%. So it means in basic band rate is 7.5, in starting band rate is 7.5. But
Ye-
out of this starting band, 2000 nil rate band available. So
yes.
2000 will consume your starting band, so remaining starting band will be 3000. That's how
Oh,
7.5 rate and then basic band 7.5.
right.
So that's how you will
Yes,
calculate here. So it's that's why I am saying up to 2000 nil rate band available and then remaining 7.5 rate
yes,
up to basic band and then higher rates. Clear now?
yes,
Okay. Now next. Okay, so these are the rates how to calculate the income tax liability. Now the next topic is trust.
trust.
What is trust? Do you have any idea?
Trust means non-profitable organization
Mean why we make the trust? What is the purpose of making trust?
for donation,
Hmm.
like the NGO. We are donating money for the people for the society improvement, either education or from flood,
Here
cyclone.
in UK,
Yes,
why you make a trust? You are a rich person, for example, in
yes,
UK,
yes.
and you have a fear that if I die, and why all of my assets obviously will be transferred to my children, and maybe they are not mature, they are small, and when they get that money, maybe they will waste.
Oh,
For example, they are in college life, they will waste, they will make unnecessary expenses, right? So you have a doubt. So that's why you will make an organization, trust,
yes.
and you will put all of your asset into the trust, and trust will give income to your children every month. That income generated from your assets, trust will give it to your children, and one day they will be mature. Actual asset they will give to your children one day. That
Oh,
is the purpose, because maybe children will waste the money. That's why you are making this organization. That is the purpose of making this organization first. Okay.
yes,
So for example, you are a donor,
right.
and you will make an organization trust. Okay.
Hmm.
Trust, and you will transfer all your assets into the trust. And asset mean you have properties in the UK, bank account in the UK, cash, and shares, all of these
Hmm.
assets into the trust. And in trust, there are trustees, employees who will work in the trust, and the income which is generated from these assets, these trustees will give it to your children, and children are called beneficiaries.
Okay. Yes.
So they will give the income every month to your children, dividend income, non saving income, saving, whatever. We will discuss the income later on, trust income later on. But the concept is they will give the income to your children, and one day when these children will be mature, the actual asset trustees will give them, give to your children. Okay.
Right.
So that's the reason behind making a trust. So we can, you can see in my notes the definition. First one, it is a tri-party relationship. Mean tri-party mean this the diagram which I made here. Can you see?
Yes.
Donors, trustees, and beneficiaries. These three tri-party mean three parties involved.
Yes.
In which donor donates his asset to trust and trustees manages these assets for the benefit of beneficiaries.
Beneficiary.
So this is the main reason. But there are other reasons as well. Why you make a trust? There are some other reasons. So the next heading is why a trust is created. Why donor make a trust? The one of the reason first one is already we covered to give income to those who cannot manage it just like your children. That's why you make a trust. Second reason to give income in a systematic manner. Mean for example, you don't want to give, for example, if I die, all of my asset will be transferred to my children and maybe they will waste. They are not mature, maybe they will waste the money. That's why you will make a trust and they will give it to children in a systematic manner, mean every month, some amount every month. Not in one go. In a systematic manner, not in one go. Okay?
Okay.
That's why that is the reason you make a trust. Third reason, to give income and asset to separate parties. In bracket you can see income beneficiary will get. Income beneficiary is also called life tenant. For example, every month dividend income is generated and you want to give that dividend income to your daughter every month. So daughter is income beneficiary. She is receiving the dividend income from trust. She is a life tenant income beneficiary. And asset one day trust will give to asset beneficiary. Asset beneficiary is also called reminder man. So income beneficiary will receive the income, mean life tenant will receive the income of the trust.
Yes.
And one day a reminder man, maybe your daughter, maybe your anyone, whatever you want, maybe your nephew, anyone, whatever you want to do, that that will be the beneficiary. So one day who will receive the asset from the trust, he is called or she is called reminder man. Okay,
Okay.
mean asset beneficiary. And who will pay the income tax? Obviously, life tenant will pay the income tax on receiving the income from the trust. For example, dividend income your daughter is receiving, she will make a dividend column and then pay the tax, make the dividend column, and then up to 2000 no nil rate band available, then up to basic band 7.5 rate, in higher band 32.5, just like same I told you. Okay.
Okay.
Fourth reason,
Yes.
to save IHT. You mean why you make a trust? You want to save inheritance tax, IHT. By making a trust, I can save inheritance tax. How? I can give you a reason. Example. For example, when I die, I mean donor die, when someone die, all his asset transferred to his children, mean son.
Yes.
And when someone die, the IHT at the rate of 40%. This is death tax rate. IHT death tax rate. We will discuss later on IHT. But
Okay.
right now, just remember when one person die, death tax 40% will be applied on his assets, which will be transferred to children. And every person will die one day, right? Everyone will die. So when this son die, all his asset transferred to his son further. Again on the same assets, IHT at the rate of 40% apply. And when this son die, same asset transfer to his son. Again on the same assets, IHT 40% apply. And on every death, 40 IHT on the same assets will be applied. I mean death tax will be applied. But now donor, for example, donor say that when I die, instead of gifting the asset to my children, I will gift the asset to trust.
Trust.
Mean I want to transfer or gift the asset to trust, not to my children. It mean when donor die, IHT at the rate of 40% death tax will be applied on his estate,
No.
and asset will be transferred to trust. Now tell me, trust will die one day or not?
No. Trust not die.
Trust don't die because trust is an organization, it cannot be died
Yes.
because individuals die. It
Yes.
will never die.
Square,
Person will die.
Means
square,
yes.
triangle,
If
square,
can you see
triangle.
in this diagram I'm showing you, when I gift the asset to my children on every death on the same estate, 40/40 IST net tax will be applied 40%. But if I transfer the or gift the asset to trust, only on my death 40% net tax will be applied on the assets. And once the assets are transferred into the trust, after that there will be no death tax, 40% will be applied. That's
Okay.
how I can save the inheritance tax by gifting the asset to trust instead of children. Okay,
Yes.
that is the one reason.
Okay.
Next, fifth reason why I make a trust to save income tax.
Ah,
I can save income tax by making a trust. How? I can give you another example. For example, for example, uh, income 1 lakh income, for example, this is an example. For example, 1 lakh income is generated in the trust. This is trust income. And for example, this income trust will divide to 10 beneficiaries
give me
in
that
persons
mama.
क्या
like
बोल रहे
tenants,
हो क्या मामा
right?
গেছে क्या মামা গেছে একে 1 ঘন্টার জন্য
If
তুমি
I
নিতে পারতেছো না
divide this
বুবলি
trust income into 10 beneficiaries like tenants, how much every individual will get?
10,000 each.
10,000 each. So, for example, 10,000, this daughter will receive this income. Means, for example, this tax year is 21, 22. So, the daughter will receive this income. So, daughter will make a non-saving, saving, dividend, any income it could be. So, she will make that specific column, write down this income here, and assume daughter in
যা
this tax year 21, 22.
1 ঘন্টা তুমি দেখতে পারো না তুমি দেখো তো কি করছে এটা তুমি টানে ছিঁড়ে কি করছে কিবোর্ড খুলে নিয়ে গেছে
এতক্ষণ কে রাখছে ওকে? কোথায়
After
ছিল?
that, nothing. Only trust income she is receiving.
হচ্ছে
In this
পাগলের বাচ্চা,
whole
হচ্ছে
tax.
পাগলের বাচ্চা। তুমি আমার
So
কথা
this
কথা তো
is
জীবন শেষ করে দিলে।
after that
তুমি
she
বেরো,
will deduct
বেরো,
personal
বেরো,
allowance
বেরো, বেরো। তুমি কেউ সহ্য
12,700.
করবে না।
Or what is the personal allowance?
এখানে যাও, তুমি বেরো,
12,000.
বেরো, বেরো।
10,050.
যাই হবে।
Thank you. New rule. Checking our notes. Fights are on the notes only.
বেরো এখানে।
Fights are on. Please remember these figures. So when you deduct this personal allowance, your taxable income will be zero.
বেরো, বেরো।
If taxable income is zero, income tax will be zero. So it means trust will divide the income in such a manner that all the income will be covered in the personal allowance and no income tax liability will be created. So that's how you can save the income tax by making a trust. Okay.
So, madam, if daughter had any other income, savings,
Then
or
obviously there will be a tax.
so what
Now
rate will be applied on the trust income?
that is a good question, and this is our next step.
Okay.
Income tax implications. Below we will discuss, okay, how to calculate income taxes and trust incomes. Okay, so don't worry. So this is only I am telling you right now the reasons why you make the trust, and there are 5 reasons. You want to save income tax, IHT, income to income beneficiary trust will give, and asset to asset beneficiary, and reminder man, and your children are small, that's why you are making a trust, and you want to give income assistance and other things. So these are the 5 reasons why you make a trust. Now the next heading is types of trust. There are 2 types of trusts: discretionary trust and
Interest.
trust in possession trust. In short, you can say IIP trust. So, what is the meaning of discretion? Do you know what is the meaning of discretion? Discretion means normal language, what is the meaning of discretion? Hello?
Yes.
Do you know what is the meaning of discretion?
Discretion. It's taking a situation to decide which one is right or wrong.
You know, discretion means will, power to make a decision. And we say it's my discretion, it's my will. Hmm?
Yes.
I have the decision making power, I can make my decisions. It's my discretion. Okay. So discretion means your will, your power to make the decision. So discretionary trust means trust will have the decision making power. Trust will make all kind of decisions. And just like trust can close, trustees can close the trust. They have the power, decision making power. Maybe they can change the beneficiaries. That's how discretionary trust operates. So you can see the definition here. It to the discretion of trustees, they can take all decisions, just like close of trust, they can close the trust. They can change the beneficiaries. Change in beneficiary mean, what is the meaning of change in beneficiary? Change in beneficiary, because they have the power. You know, this example which I gave you already, 1 lakh income total created in the trust, and they will give income to 10 beneficiaries. Why? Because to save the income tax, because all the income covered in the personal account. So it means discretionary trust have the decision making power. They can choose how much person they want, 10%, 20%, they will decide to how much percent they want to give the income. And why they are doing so? Because to save the income tax. Okay. So if examiner will ask you a question, you want to save income tax and IHT, inheritance tax, which trust you have to make? So please write down in bracket in reason front of reason number 4 and 5. Please write down in brackets discretionary trust. So if you want to save the IHT and income tax, which trust you have to make?
Discretion.
Discretionary trust. And for the above three reasons, first three reasons, which trust we have to make then? IIP trust. So in reason 1, 2, 3, please write down in brackets IIP trust. Make the IIP trust, and reason 4 and 5 make in brackets here, just write down discretionary trust. Okay. Clear?
Yes. So what is IIP trust?
Yes. Just 1 second. First we have to complete this. So this is the definition of discretionary trust. What is the income tax implication? I mean, how you will pay the income tax on discretionary trust income? The other question. So you can see the next line. All incomes are non-saving. Mean discretionary trust income always put in the non-saving column. And the next line, withholding tax applied 45%. So gross this income by 100 divided by 55. So withholding tax mean advance tax, mean already deducted, 45% tax is already deducted. Okay. So you have to gross this income always by 100 over 55 and place in the non-saving column. So if examiner will give you discretionary trust income, how you will pay the income tax on it? Always gross it by 100 over 55 and place in the non-saving column. Okay. Everyone clear? Boys, both of you clear?
Yes.
Right. That's how you will pay the income tax on discretionary trust income. Next, IIP trust. So today I am telling you the income tax implications of trust. In future, when we will discuss the CGT and IHT chapters, I
Okay.
will tell you CGT and IHT implications on trust. Okay. It means on trust there are three type of taxes applied: income tax, capital gain tax, and inheritance tax. Today we will discuss income tax implication on trust incomes,
Yes.
but in future on trust, on income tax applied. On assets, CGT and IHT will be applied. So on trust assets, how to pay the CGT and how to pay the inheritance tax, I will tell you in future. But today on trust income, how to pay the income tax, we are discussing right now. Okay.
Right.
Now IIP trust. So it operates according to the trust deed made by donor, and trustees are just employees. Here, trust deed, please highlight the word trust deed. Trust deed is very important word. Before I tell you about the trust deed, firstly tell me what is the, one person when die, before that when we make the will, what is will? What we mention in will before that when we make the will?
So you write down who will get what after the death
Who
of
will
the
get the who will get the assets? For example, I am dying right now and I will make a will that I want to give some asset to my son, some asset to my nephew, some asset to my children, daughter, just like that. So it means, yeah, will is just like instruction, and trust deed is just like will. It is a document page, and on which you will make the instruction that some asset to give to children, some to nephew, some to your wife, right?
right.
So donor will make a trust deed. He will make the instructions in trust deed document. And trustees are here just employees. They don't have the decision making power. Here, trust donor have the decision making power. And trustees are just employees. They will follow your instruction. But in discretionary trust above, decision making power are in the hands of trustees. And here decision making power is in the hands of donor. Okay. Next, there are three further points how to pay the income tax on IIP trust income. Here you can see if it is a non-saving income, then WHT mean withholding tax 20% deducted, so gross it by 100 over 80. If it is saving income, then again withholding tax 20% deducted, so gross it by 100 over 80. And if it is dividend income, withholding tax 7.5% deducted, so gross it by 100 over 92.5. And if examiner is silent, in IIP, you have to make an assumption. Here in the IIP trust, you have to make an assumption that if the examiner is silent, he didn't tell you about whether it is non-saving, saving, or dividend income, then always assume that IIP income is which income?
Non-savings income.
Always assume it is a non-saving income. Okay. If in IIP, which assumption you will make? Always non-saving income if examiner is silent. Okay, just write down a question. Mr. A has following incomes for the tax year 2021. Employment income 54,000. Discretionary trust income, in short I am writing down DT mean discretionary trust income is 6,000. IIP income 7,500, and here I am silent. So which income is this? Assume non-saving income. And your requirement is calculate income tax payable. Okay. just make the non-saving column saving dividend. And here employment income will go to 54,000 will go to the non-saving column 54,000. Then discretionary trust income is 6,000, but always gross it by 100 over 55 and place in the non-saving column. So what is the answer?
Discretionary trust income 6,000 is also going to the non-savings
Yes. And tell me the answer.
we have to gross it up by 100 divided by 55.
Please quickly tell me the answer. No answer.
Once
Low.
first one is 10,909.
10909. Okay,
Yes.
next income is IIP, and this one is 7,500. But we are assuming it because examiner is silent, so always assume it's non-saving income. And so it gross it by 100 or divided by 80 and place
One
in
is
non-saving column.
9375.
It means there is no saving income, no dividend. So don't make saving or dividend income only. Now, what is the total income? Make the total of all these incomes and tell me the total income.
It's 25,684. Oh no, sorry. 74284.
Okay, next, less qualifying interest. I think in this question, no qualifying interest. So you will get the net income. So net incomes again same to 74284. Less personal allowance 12,570. So what is your taxable income?
So taxable income is 61714.
Okay, now apply the rates. Up to basic band 37,700 rate is 20% is equal to. Please remember this figure. I already told you this is fixed figure. What is figure?
7540.
7540. Always remember this figure. It's fixed figure. And how much income falling in the higher band?
Higher rate is 3771 minus 61714. 37701 minus 6.714.
The remaining is 24,040.
24,014 at the rate of 40% is equal to.
It's 9605.6. 96.
9605.
Yeah.
And what is the income tax liability?
So 17145.
But examiner requirement is calculate the tax payable. It means, you know, already
We paid some tax at
withholding.
this.
You already paid the withholding tax, advance tax on
Yes.
discretionary trust and IIP trust income. So it should be refundable to you because
Yes.
already you have paid and then apply the rates again. It means you are paying double tax on the same income because you gross the income and then pay the tax in normal manner. It means you paid double tax on the same income, once in advance and then gross and then pay the tax again.
So we
So
get.
it should be refund to you.
Yes.
So we have to from income tax liability deduct the tax credit. Tax credit mean refund, money back. So on which thing you have paid the withholding tax? On discretionary trust income. How much you paid advance tax, withholding tax? 45%.
Yes.
So you know how to check 10909 into 45%. What is the answer?
Into is 4909.
4909. And also you can check this figure in this second method is 1090 in gross figure minus net figure
6,000.
6000. So
Yes.
you will get this 4909. So 4909 should be refund to you. So deduct it. And also on IIP, what is the refundable amount? Tax
1875.
credit 1875. So get this money back, and the remaining amount is tax payable to HMRC. Pay this tax to HMRC. How much?
Is 10361.
10361, right?
Is tax payable.
Payable. And what if your answer will be negative? Assume your answer is negative. It means it's tax not payable. It tax refundable or repayable. Okay, from HMRC. But here it's taxable to HMRC. You are paying to HMRC. But if answer is negative, HMRC will pay you.
No,
Done?
how is negative? So tax liability was 17,000.
Yeah. If tax liability is, for example, below these two figures, then obviously the answer will be negative.
Yes.
So it means the tax refund from HMRC to you. Okay,
Yes.
very good. Okay, and boys, I am thinking because in daytime every day I am free. Why not daily basis I just record the lecture and then send you. It will be easy for you as well, so you can see the recording lecture. And I mean, when one topic is completed, then we will arrange a kit class and I will discuss kit questions with you.
Okay.
What is your opinion? I mean, it's easy for you as well because when I send you the lecture, you can, whenever you will be free, you can all easily see my recording.
Okay, then send me the first lecture. Then we will give you our opinion.
Yeah, yeah, okay. In just like this way, I am just, for example, I am telling you these things. I will record them daily
I
and
understood.
then
Can I
send
get your first lecture? Then I can tell you. When you are present, then our attention is different. When I,
you.
when we are do the when we can
No
listen the
problem.
recording video, the attention is different.
No. You just see the lectures and just write down whatever you have the question in your mind. You just ask me on WhatsApp. Daily basis, I am available on WhatsApp. You can just message me and then I will get back to you.
Okay,
And
it's okay then.
daily basis, I will clear all of your questions. No problem. I am online every time. You can send me your queries.
Okay, then give me the some time. We will discuss with Abdullah. Then we'll tell you.
Where is Abdullah?
Yes, but that way we are doing now, I think is more effective because we can ask you straight away something if I don't understand.
No, no, that's why I am saying I will record. You just see it again and again with examples. I will tell you everything just like that. And at the end of every session, daily basis, you can call me or you can WhatsApp me, and then I will answer your all queries on daily basis. So if you have any doubt in any lecture, you can same day you can ask me question.
Okay, so you will record it in advance, then you will send us the link and we'll.
I will, yes, I will email you that same recording, and you can see easily. Because daytime, in morning I am free, so easily, meaning fresh mind, I can record them.
Okay, madam. Then you can
And
send the one video
for
tomorrow.
example, once our topic, for example, our income tax one, firstly we will complete, then but kid question live I will, I want to discuss with you because it's a long scenario question, and live session is very important for kid questions.
Okay.
Madam, then you can send me the first video. We will tell you tomorrow after watching the
Yeah,
lecture.
yeah, yeah. Tomorrow morning I will record and then send you in
Okay,
morning. Okay.
that's fine. Then you can send me the tomorrow morning
Oh,
after. Okay, then if you can send me the first lecture, yeah, then we will give our opinion after watching the video. Hello,
Yes.
she's gone.
I think line got disconnected.
এ আব্দুল্লাহ ভাই কি বলেন আপনি উনি ক্লাসে থাকলে অ্যাটেনশনটা অন্য হয় বুঝছেন
ও, সেটাই তো বললাম।
হুম
একটা প্রেশার থাকে যে ক্লাসে জয়েন করতে হবে, ক্লাসে
হ
আসতে হবে।
ওকে ভিডিও দিতে বলি একটা দেখি তারপর আমরা আমাদের অপিনিয়ন দিব ঠিক আছে
ও ওপিনিয়ন দিব যে না লাইভ ক্লাস
ওকে আর
করতেছে।
ডাকবো ওকে ডাকবো বুঝছেন সপ্তাহে 2 দিন 3 দিন যেটা হয় ওটা ডাকবো ঠিক আছে
হুম।
রাখলাম
ক্লাস কি আজকে শেষ নাকি?
হ্যাঁ, মনে হয় দেখি হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে কি মতামত দিল উনি
ওকে।
হ্যালো